Alright guys, here we go. I have the new TCM installed. Alright, a couple more fault codes showed up, even one in the PCM. That's because I just replaced lost communication with the TCM. Okay, now let's go into the TCM, the one we just installed. As you can see, incorrect variant configuration. And that's active. That means the TCM is not even configured, guys. Let's go into miscellaneous function. And we're going to do pretty much all three of these. Let's initialize EGS. This function should be used when the TCM has been replaced or need reinitialized. Alright. Verify latest flash update. It's not okay. But so what they're telling me is before I initialize this TCM, I need to verify the latest flash updates are installed in the TCM, ladies and gentlemen, and the PCM. And guys, that is not the case. So I'm going to cancel that. Go back into my topology and go to PCM, and what we're gonna do, guys, is merely flash update this PCM to the latest and greatest software so I can proceed with reinitializing my TCM. I think it's great that they do this. They want these modules up to date. As you guys know, PCM and the TCM, well, the transmission and the engine has to be on the same page, guys. They are both drivability related. If your transmission is not shifting properly, it will feel like your engine is not shifting properly, which will in turn lead you to think you have more problems than you actually have. So I'm gonna take a minute and flash update, and when I get back, we're gonna reinitialize this TCM, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here we are again. As you can see, no lightning bolts beside my PCM or my TCM. Okay, which means they are both now flash up to date. Now let's proceed with initializing this brand new TCM we just installed. Initialize EGS. Alright guys, let's click continue. Verify, already verified it. Alright, continue without flash update because I have already verified it. It is by continuing. Yes, I am aware of that. Continue, yes. Cycle the ignition key before continuing. Alright, I have cycled the key, continue. Now it wants me to, please wait. This may take up to 30 seconds. Alright, I'll wait. Alright, cycle the key before continuing. Alright, the key is now cycled, continue. Please wait again. Alrighty, let's follow instruction, guys. Initialization successful. Loss of communication faults may have been set, so I'll merely have to erase those. So let's see. Yeah, all of these potential codes, let's look at them. Yes, loss of communication. So they're just saying merely erase and clear all of those. They were set erroneously because of the flash update. Alright guys, we're back. I'm at this Jeep. Yes, I got the pan off, guys. I'm gonna show y'all how to get the back bolts off. Well guys, this is as far as I can go with the pan. Now no need to fret, no need to frown. Okay, you can get this out. Okay, I want it all the way out just so I can replace the filter from this angle. Okay, but you don't have to do all of that, guys. You can merely jack the transmission up off of the frame. That way that would clear enough room for you to pull the pan out. Okay, so you will have to remove. I went ahead and removed this. I'm going to go ahead and remove this bracket here. I have to remove it anyway, guys, because I'm going to do a transfer case service also. So I want it completely out of my way. So when I get that off, I'll be able to show you guys how to clear enough angle to get this pan out. Right now it would not come off because it's too low and the exhaust is blocking it. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, I use a jack stand to lift up on the transfer case, which will in essence lift up on the transmission, which should just about give me enough clearance, guys, to now I can get the pan out. Okay, let's see if did I raise it up enough. Yes, wow, y'all see that? Got it out just enough to clear. Y'all see? Now I had already pulled the filter out, so wow. And I made a little mess over here, guys, but that's okay. The goal was to get the pan down, and the main goal was to get the filter replaced. Okay, I didn't want to fight with getting this filter out. Although I could have got the filter out, I just didn't want to fight with it. And I wanted to take a closer look at the magnet anyway, guys. So you take a look at this magnet, you will see, yes, there's some debris on it. That's not abnormal, guys. In fact, that is normal for a car with this many miles on it. Okay, yes, torque converter is likely slowly coming apart. Okay, it has clutch materials in it that will break down over time. That is no big deal. All right, so guys, I'm gonna clean this all up. Now I'm gonna show you the parts I have for this NAG transmission. I had a couple guys actually want to see what does it pertain to do a NAG transmission service. There's nothing to it, fellas. Only thing you want to make sure that you do is use the correct parts, meaning the fluid and the filter and the gasket. It's the one-piece gasket, guys. So all right, guys, here's my filter and my gasket I'm going to use, and of course, guys, we're going to go in with ATF plus 4. All right, you can use the fluid of your choice, but here at this place we tend to only use ATF plus 4. All right, so guys, doing a transmission service, like I said, on a NAG transmission is fairly easy. In fact, I highly recommend this over a trans flush. Okay, now the very next time you service your transmission, it's okay at that point to do a flush. But to me, the number one goal in a transmission service is this right here. You want to get this out and replace. Okay, so the debris you saw in that pan, that's a small chance that debris can make its way back into the transmission. With a nice, good, clean, unrestricted filter, it will likely catch that debris before it get back to the trans. That's why it's always important to replace the filter. All right, guys, let's get this done, and we're gonna wrap this up, guys. Stay tuned.